Homemade borax ant killer can help reduce ant trails but has clear limitations for indoor infestations. Borax works by disrupting insect digestion and must be consumed and carried back to the colony to be effective, so it requires careful bait placement and patience. Mix 1 part borax with 3 parts sugar or honey to attract ants, but honey can leave a sticky residue that needs cleaning, so prefer powdered sugar or sugar water when possible. Apply baits in small, well-sealed containers with tiny holes or on index cards tucked near ant trails, not on open plates, to limit access by children and pets. Expect to reapply the bait every 3 to 5 days and keep a log of activity, because one application rarely eradicates a colony and effectiveness declines as the colony declines and foragers change behavior. Borax is not a fast contact killer, so sprays or other quick methods may be needed for heavy indoor infestations while baiting continues for colony control. For infestations involving carpenter ants or species that do not forage for sweet baits, switch to protein or grease-based baits or consult identification resources before relying solely on borax. Common issues include slow results, risk to non-target animals, and messy attractants. With slow results, people assume it did not work, so keep treating for at least 2 to 4 weeks and track reductions in activity rather than expecting instant elimination. The risk to pets and children means place baits inside inaccessible containers or in gaps behind appliances where only ants travel, and supervise closely until ant activity drops. Sticky bait like honey draws ants well, but soils, floors, and counters, so use less sticky alternatives and wipe surfaces after baiting to avoid attracting other pests. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives practical resources for home pest challenges related to repairs and cleanup. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips and experiences and where contractors can find local work opportunities.